everybody. I want to take a second of my time to invest in your time. Today what I've done is thought about some things that I'm doing. We're about 30 days as of today away from our cruise on the Carnival Paradise going out of Tampa, Florida. Yeah, we're really looking forward to it because that is always a good time cruising. Just seems like we don't get to do enough of it. So anyway, here's what I do. As of today, I've started making sure that I have everything together for all my cameras. Now I usually take probably 3 cameras with me. I'll take this, which is my Osmo Action. I'll take my Osmo Pocket, and I also take my GoPro Hero 7 Black. And I do use all the cameras. Also, when I'm going through this little list, if there's something I need, now I do a lot of shopping on Amazon. Matter of fact, I have a few things coming today for this Osmo. I have some spare batteries coming, as well as a quick charger, which should help alleviate a lot of downtime waiting on a battery to charge, because I don't need to do that. I don't like to do that. I know you don't either. So that's one of the main things that I will start doing. Also, I've already printed out our cruise documents because we are paid in full. We have been for several weeks now, and we're just waiting on that day to board. Now, as the time gets closer, we'll start doing stuff like packing. I'll start going through my clothes and making sure that I have everything that I want to take with me on this cruise. With it being a hot climate, I'll make sure that I have plenty of short pants and these nice breathable shirts, because nobody likes to be hot, as well as, you know, some of the stuff like swimming trunks and different things like that. Now there's usually a formal night on a 5-day cruise, so yeah, shirt and tie. I've got to wear anymore. I don't care to dress up a lot of times in a coat and everything, but then again, I do whatever my wife wants me to, because we like to match and look nice, and I know a lot of you do too. So that's where I'm at as far as planning for a cruise. I wish it was just where I could just automatically just go, hey, we're going on a cruise tomorrow, boom, we're gone. It really don't work that way if you want to have a good time. Probably a worry-free time, because that's the best thing. You're on vacation. You should enjoy it. So, like I said, this is just a short little video to kind of tell you where I'm at today, and maybe give you some help along the way to decide what to do and how to plan for your next cruise. Until the next time, hope you have a good day, have a good life, enjoy family, and we'll see you again soon. Thank you.